Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best camera flash speedlight. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, if you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Neewer TT560 Flash Speedlight. It's no secret that photography gear can cost a small fortune, so the inexpensive and high-quality Neewer TT560 is a pleasant surprise. It's an effective, basic flash with no frills for an affordable price. This makes it a great entry-level model for photographers looking to try an external flash for the first time. Even better, it's compatible with a wide range of DSLRs, including Canon and Nikon. While you don't have an LCD screen or wireless capabilities, you do have a built-in bounce card and a wide-angle diffuser. Slave mode, another cool feature, lets you automatically set off your flash when it senses another flash go off, giving you additional light and creating more brightness. This is usually seen only on more expensive models, so it's a top inclusion in the TT560. However, because the range of features is smaller, this means photographers can quickly master the use of external flashes. Overall, it's an affordable and basic flash that can take your photography to the next level, especially for portraits and indoor studio shooting. While it might not have enough pizzazz to impress the pros, the TT560 is aimed at beginner and intermediate shooters who want to improve their abilities. Number 2, Neewer NW561 LCD Display Flash. It can be challenging to make the leap from using your camera's flash to using an external flash, but the Neewer NW561 flash makes the process easier. This affordable, entry-level flash is simple to learn but still offers enough great features to help you take beautiful photos. It's compatible with a range of DSLR cameras and it can help you learn the basics, letting you decide if you want to upgrade to a higher-end flash. While there's no LCD screen and the flash can operate only as a manual flash, this is to be expected in flashes at a lower price point. However, it's still an easy-to-use flash that also offers a power-saving mode, great for longer shooting sessions, and temperature protection for heating control. You can also rotate the flash horizontally and vertically, making it possible to nail the shot. It also offers the very useful slave feature, so new flash users can learn how to maximize this feature. You also get a hard flash diffuser, plus a soft flash diffuser and a handy lens cap holder. Try out the Neewer NW561 if you're after a basic flash at a fair price. Pros: powerful flash, compatible with most DSLRs. Beginners can learn how to use it quickly. Built-in slave mode, easy to use. Cons: flimsy build. Number 3, YONGNUOYN 564 Wireless Flash Speedlight Master. Looking for a flash on a small budget? The YONGNUOYN 560TX is worth checking out. As long as you plan to shoot with manual controls, this solid flash is compatible with most DSLRs and can be found for less than $70. It includes built-in wireless and can also be used as a transmitter, controlling up to 3 lighting devices. It's fast, versatile, and lightweight, but still rugged, so it offers good value for money in terms of longevity. Once you master the controls, some of the buttons aren't very intuitive. It's easy to use. If this flash has caught your eye, note that it shoots only in manual, as it doesn't offer TTL. This makes it great for shoots with consistent lighting, such as studio or real estate shots, but might not be great for events or travel. However, as long as manual mode is what you need, you'll find the YN560TX to be a powerful flash, great for beginners or those with basic flash needs. I consider it to be a very useful addition, especially since the price only increased by a small margin. Pros: great price point. Wireless. Plenty of options for manual control. Good value for money. Cons: doesn't offer TTL metering. Number 4, Nikon SB700AF Speedlight Flash. For Nikon users, the brand's SB700AF Speedlight Flash is a top option. This flash is quite the investment, so it's probably not suited for beginners. Experienced photographers will find it to be a solid wireless flash for both indoor and outdoor use. It's compatible with most modern Nikon DSLRs, and while it may not have the highest guide number, it's still effective, thanks to ITTL flash control. ITTL stands for Intelligent Through the Lens metering and means the flash will automatically communicate with the camera and work out the right lighting. This is a great feature to have at events or when shooting in varying conditions, as the setup work is done for you. We also like the SB700's flexibility, with both 360-degree rotation and 90-degree tilting. It makes the flash ideal for both portrait and landscape shots, since you can easily position the flash just as you need it, combined with a great recycling time and durable, high Quality build: the SB700 is the perfect addition to your camera bag if you shoot with Nikon. Pros: impressive recycling time, flash can be positioned both vertically and horizontally, durable build quality. Cons: expensive. Number 5. Canon Speedlight 430EX2 SLR Flash. I consider the 430EX2 to be the core of the Canon flash family. It's a reasonably priced, fully functional flash that does everything you need a flash to do. As a first flash purchase, I recommend the 430. It has the focus assist beam to help you focus in the dark, it can swivel and bounce, it can be used in manual mode with radio triggers, so it makes a great remote slave either with a third-party radio system or with the built-in Canon wireless system. And although the 430EX2 is somewhat less powerful than the larger flashes, I find its smaller size and lighter weight more comfortable for long hours of on-camera flash photography. I love the 430, and I have lots of them. If you remain a Canon shooter for long, you may end up with lots of them. 2. On the bottom by the hot shoe, Canon has a unique lock lever and release button, which we greatly preferred to nearly all the other locking systems that similar products tend to have. Finally, on the rear of the device, you'll find the LCD screen and the buttons and toggles necessary for operation, which we will cover in greater depth in the following section.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.